Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves. Here to bring our daily market buyers video for Wednesday, November 9th. It's exactly 4 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. All of Asia traded to the downside, with many exchanges trading into very close into quadruple digit territory. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing as Europe is open trading, all of Europe is trading to the downside. And basically the reason for that is predicated on the news that Donald Trump was elected the next U.S. president, and he'll be the 45th president of the United States. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of U.S. dollar, trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude, also trading lower. Financials in terms of the bonds, trading lower as well. Metals in terms of gold. About the only bright spot here is gold, which is going sky high. Again, predicated upon the news that Donald Trump is elected president of the United States. The indices themselves, in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all point to a lower open. And quite frankly, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is off its low. At its low point, it was 600 or 700 points lower. So it's reduced that by half, if you will. So it has rebounded somewhat, but it's still about 300 points lower than it was when it stopped trading yesterday. In terms of economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we really don't have very much of anything. We do have final wholesale inventories out of 10 a.m. This is not major. We have crude oil inventories out of 10:30 a.m. And we have a 10-year bond auction that starts at 1 p.m. This is really not major. The major news is the presidential election. And as such, our bias is to the downside. We're not advocating going long in this market. It's just way too volatile. I would say ordinarily could this change? Ordinarily it wouldn't, it could. I wouldn't make that statement today because, quite frankly, we see it as a downside day all around. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next session with you.